Hi, my name is Nicole Sassaman, and welcome to one of my latest projects. This home belongs to Susan Ekins, and she's a big movie producer that produced Ocean's 8, where she met Anne Hathaway and ended up buying this home from her. So you know there's going to be a lot of fun things to see. Let's get started. One of the first things you notice on this tour, this is not just a sign, this is a piece of artwork. And ends up being a piece that she made during one of the shoots of the Ocean's movies. This light fixture was really fun to me because it was a new take on the old Sputnik light, and it added this really kind of fun, unique touch with these crystals on the ends of it. And when I saw this piece, I was like, it's totally a keeper and it's gonna make this room. So everything around it needed to be fun and pink and feminine. So we did the pink rug, pink tables, pink chairs, pink baskets, pink pillows, and it really added to what she previously had here, which was just a very monotone interior. And there you go. And moving on into the kitchen, Susie loved the idea of living in the country, so she didn't want her house to become too modern. So we wanted to make sure we worked around this fabulous farm sink and floated with this amazing little touch with the chicken wire on the cabinetry. And we followed it up with a beautiful farmhouse kitchen table and kept the windows with this open expanse leading to the forest. When Susie saw this Moyer light fixture in my home, she loved it, but she wanted to make it uniquely her own and add a few pieces like Jerry Weintraub's sayings and some fun lines from the Ocean's movies. To complement this creative light fixture, behind us we have something even more interesting, a slice of history. Here we have Susie's first prop, which was her apple box from Karate Kid. Then we have these amazing boxing gloves that were actually Muhammad Ali's. And let's not forget Jerry Weintraub's shoes from the Ocean's movie. Overall, this whole area is a curation of Susie's amazing history through Hollywood, along with Jerry Weintraub's and her father, Bud Ekins. Welcome to the primary suite. This was a very challenging space. It was incredibly long and narrow, almost like two small rooms combined to be one. We created these beautiful niches. Not only were these bookshelves a way to separate the space and help us out in an architectural way, they also became a place where we could highlight memorabilia and things that were important to Susie in a stylish way. And on this side of the primary suite, we changed everything. We were able to put the furniture in a way that would more open up the space and get it to face all of the views, which is the most important thing about this house. Whether you wake up in the morning from your bed, to your lounge chair having your cup of coffee, you have your own private sanctuary. As you can see, some people really enjoy a good lounge. Here we are, one of our last stops, the outdoor area. It was really an amazing experience to create all of these separate outdoor vignettes with seating areas. This is one of my favorite seats, but everyone else loves the pool because there's nothing like a good splash in sunny California. This finishes our tour. I hope you had as much fun as I did showing you around, and we'll see you at the next property.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.